fishes you can eat, especially if it's wild caught. Greetings Keto Mountain community. My name is Karima and hello from Switzerland. Today I will share with you a very easy recipe, but it's a very delicious. Even my kids love it. The secret is the marinade. It's a Moroccan recipe and we called it sharmoula. I put the recipe down below in English as well in German. If you have any question, feel free to put it in the comment section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit this notification bell so you don't miss any recipe. So, before we get to it, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And then let's get to it.
Alright then, let's start with our marinade. We will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander, about 6 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin, two tablespoons of sweet paprika, one tablespoon of salt, a little black pepper, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil, 1 of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of spicy harissa is optional, and 2 tomatoes. Mix everything together until you get a yummy marinade. I sliced 2 medium-sized onions into rings and on a baking sheet, distribute them to protect our fish from sticking. Here I have my sea bass. You can use any fish that you like. Just pay attention to the cooking time. I am making on both sides 2 cuts so that my marinade will go inside the meat. We want to marinate our fish very well, inside and out. In this step, you can choose whatever vegetables that you feel like it. I am using here 2 green and 2 red peppers and a little asparagus. Distribute your vegetables and marinate them. I am adding here 1 lemon to cover our fish and 2 tomatoes to cover our vegetables to keep them juicy. Now, you can use the rest of your marinade. I put about 3 tablespoons of water to capture the rest of the sauce and carefully pour it on the side. Our fish is ready now. We need to put it in the middle in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. Oh man, look at this beauty. The smell is unbelievably nice. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please give thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes.